Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Porsche 911. First, gather your essential tools: a set of reliable jumper cables and a donor vehicle with a fully charged 12-volt battery. Make sure both cars are turned off and in park or neutral for safety. Then, open the front hood of your Porsche to access the designated jumpstart terminals, which are specifically designed for this process. Now, let's connect the cables. First, attach one red positive clamp to the positive terminal on your Porsche. Next, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. Then, connect one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the donor battery. Finally, attach the remaining black clamp to a clean, unpainted metal part of your Porsche's chassis, away from the battery. With the cables securely connected, start the engine of the donor vehicle. Let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes to allow some charge to transfer to your Porsche's battery. After this charging period, try to start your Porsche 911. If it doesn't start on the first attempt, wait another 2 to 3 minutes with the donor car still running, then try again. It should typically start within a few tries. Once your Porsche 911 is running, it's time to disconnect the cables safely. Always remove them in the reverse order of how you connected them. First, detach the black negative cable from your Porsche's ground point, then from the donor battery. Next, remove the red positive cable from the donor battery, and finally, from your Porsche's positive terminal. Drive your Porsche for at least 20 to 30 minutes to ensure the battery fully recharges.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.